Let us discuss exercise 4.1. The question number 1 is construct quadrilateral ABCD where AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, AD 6 centimeter and AC 7 centimeter. See, looking at the question, you can find out which are the sides. Here AB is side, BC is side, CD is side and AD is also side. This AC is a diagonal. How do I come to know it is a diagonal? From the name of the quadrilateral ABCD. The letters, consecutive letters like AB, it is making a side, BC making a side, CD is making a side, but this A and C, see alternate alphabets, they are making the diagonals. So the first step is, I told you, always draw a rough figure. Here I have drawn a rough figure A, B, C, D and the diagonal AC. I have started from the diagonal. You can start from the side also. Now starting the figure construction. First I will construct the diagonal AC 7 centimeter. Let us do that. This is A, C 7 centimeter. Now AB is 4.5 centimeter. So from point A I have to swing an arc of 4.5. So I will open the compass 4.5 centimeter like this on the scale. Keep it at point A and swing an arc. Now this CB is 5.5. I will open the compass 5.5 centimeter. Keep it at point C and swing another arc. This point of intersection of these two arcs, this is point B, and you will join AB and BC. You got the upper triangle of this quadrilateral, and write here the dimensions 5.5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Now the lower triangle, here you can see AD is 6 centimeter. So I will open the compass 6 centimeter with the help of a scale. Keep it at point A and swing an arc like this. And CD is 4 centimeter. So I will open 4 centimeter on the scale. Keep at point C and swing an arc. See, here I have done the doubling of the arcs, means a mistake has come here, so I have to do it again. If the compass slips, doubling of arc should not be there. You can just do the construction again. 4 centimeter, keep at point C, and in one go whichever arc you get, that is the correct arc. Now this point of intersection of these two arcs is point D. I will join CD. This is 4 centimeter and I will join AD. AD is 6 centimeter and I get quadrilateral ABCD. Question number 2 is, you have to construct a quadrilateral jump in which JU is 3.5 centimeter, UM is 4 centimeter, MP is 5 centimeter, PJ is 4.5 centimeter and PU is 6.5 centimeter. So the first step is, we will construct a rough figure. See here, I have drawn the rough figure. At the bottom you can write also rough figure. Now for constructing the fair figure, I will start with the diagonal PU. PU is 6.5 centimeter. So with the help of a scale, we will construct a line segment of 6.5 centimeter. See, this is 6.5 centimeter and right here PU 6.5 centimeter. Now PJ is 4.5 centimeter. So with the help of a scale, I will open the compass 4.5 centimeter wide. Keep it at point P and swing an arc of 4.5. Then JU is 3.5. So open the compass 3.5. Keep it at point U and swing another arc. The point of intersection of these two arcs is point J. Now at the bottom I have to take point M. So MP is 5 and MU is 4. So I will open the compass first 5 centimeter. Keep at point P and swing an arc. Then 4 centimeter. Keep at point U and swing another arc. This point of intersection of these two arcs is point M. Now join all this. Join JP. It is 4.5 centimeter. Then join JU. It is 3.5 centimeter. UM. It is 4 centimeter. And MP is 5 centimeter. So this is jump is the required coordinate. Third part is construct a parallelogram more in which OR is 6 centimeter, RE is 4.5 centimeter and diagonal EO is 7.5 centimeter. Now here you can see it's given it's a parallelogram, so we can use the properties of parallelogram. Since it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal, that is OR equals to ME equals to 6 centimeter and RE equals to OM equals to 4.5 centimeter. This is important to write. You have to write this on the ruled page. Then you do the construction of the rough figure first. Draw the rough figure. Now for drawing the fair figure, I am first starting with the diagonal EO. EO is 7.5 centimeter. So EO 7.5 centimeter. Now I have to draw the side. See on the top M is there. So EM is 6 centimeter. I will open the compass 6 centimeter wide. Keep it at point E and swing an arc. Then OM is 4.5. Open the compass 4.5 centimeter. Keep at point O and swing another arc. The point of intersection of these arcs, see if this arc is short, you can extend it also. The point of intersection of these arcs, this point is point M. Now you join ME. The upper triangle will be prepared. ME is 6 centimeter. You will write like this. And OM is 4.5 centimeter. You will write like this. Now again at the bottom triangle. Now here R will come. So RE is 4.5 centimeter. I will again open the compass 4.5 centimeter. Keep it at point E and swing an arc. Then OR is 6 centimeter. Again open the compass 6 centimeter. Keep it at point O and swing another arc. The point of intersection of these two arcs is point R. Join them. OR is 6 centimeter and RE or ER is 4.5 centimeter. So we got a parallelogram. Fourth part is construct a rhombus best in which BE is 4.5 centimeter, ET is 6 centimeter. So here only two things are given and we have to use here the properties of rhombus. In rhombus all sides are of equal length and one diagonal is given. All sides are equal length, that means BE equals to ES equals to ST equals to TB equals to 4.5 centimeter. Now let us start the construction. Rough figure I have drawn here, you can see. For the fair figure, first I will draw the diagonal ET 6 centimeter. Now all sides are 4.5. So once I will open the compass 4.5 radius, 4.5 centimeter and swing an arc from every point. From point E, then from point T on the top, again from point E at the bottom one arc and from point T another arc. The point of intersection of these arcs are, this is point S and this is point B. Now I will join all these four sides and do not forget to write the dimensions of the sides. Writing the dimensions of the sides and naming the figure is very important. As important as you are drawing the figure, it carry marks. As I have named it as BEST, you also have to name it. And then on all four sides you have to write 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. So BEST is the required rhombus.